A complete home remodel. Our journey to a dream home. Remodeling a home can be an exciting yet daunting experience. For us, it was a chance to turn our outdated house into the dream home we had always envisioned. In this article, we'll share our journey and the key lessons we learned along the way. Step 1. Defining our vision. Before starting any home renovation project, it's essential to have a clear vision of what you want to achieve. We spent a lot of time discussing our ideas and preferences, considering the style and functionality we desired, and looking at inspiration online and in magazines. We also consulted with an architect and contractor to help refine our vision and develop a realistic budget. Step 2. Design and planning. Once we had a clear vision, we began the design and planning phase. We worked with our architect to create detailed floor plans and 3D models of our dream home. This allowed us to see how everything would fit together and make any necessary adjustments before construction began. We also made sure to obtain all the necessary permits and approvals from the local government before moving forward. Step 3. Demolition and construction. With the plans finalized, it was time to begin the actual construction. This involved demolition of existing structures, such as walls and floors, and the building of new structures, such as walls and rooms. Throughout the construction process, we worked closely with our contractor, regularly checking in to ensure everything was going according to plan. We made sure to use high-quality materials and fixtures in our home remodel. This included energy-efficient appliances, eco-friendly flooring and paint, and durable countertops and cabinetry. We also incorporated smart home technology, such as a home automation system that allows us to control our lights, thermostat, and security system from our smartphones. Step 4. Finishing touches. As the construction phase came to an end, we focused on the finishing touches that would bring our dream home to life. This included painting, decorating, and selecting furniture and accessories that complemented our style and design aesthetic. We also added landscaping and outdoor features to create an inviting and relaxing outdoor space. Key lessons learned. Throughout our home remodel journey, we learned several key lessons that we would like to share with others embarking on a similar journey. Have a clear vision. Define your vision for your dream home before starting any renovation project. This will help guide your decisions and ensure everything fits together cohesively. Hire professionals. Working with an architect and contractor can help bring your vision to life while staying within your budget and timeline. Plan for the unexpected. Home renovation projects often come with unexpected surprises. Be prepared to adapt and adjust your plans as needed. Invest in quality. Using high-quality materials and fixtures may cost more upfront, but they will last longer and require less maintenance in the long run. Focus on the details. It's the little things that can make a big difference in the overall look and feel of your home. Take the time to focus on the finishing touches and details that will make your home truly yours. Conclusion. Our home remodel journey was a challenging but rewarding experience that allowed us to turn our outdated house into the dream home we had always envisioned. By defining our vision, working with professionals, planning for the unexpected, investing in quality, and focusing on the details, we were able to create a beautiful and functional space that we love coming home to every day. We hope our journey and lessons learned can serve as inspiration and guidance for others embarking on their own home renovation projects.